Welcome back to my channel. This is Juliet from Arabnoy kitchen. For today's video, I want to make jalapeno. So these are all my ingredients for my jalapeno. I have 2 cloves garlic, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of water. Jalapeno. This is green chili. I already sliced into very thin, and also the white vinegar. So guys, first we have to combine all the ingredients together. I put the water and also 1 cup of white vinegar. Then I put salt and sugar and this chili. So let it boil for 8 minutes, and we have to transfer here in the jar. So this is, before we have to put here, we have to sterilize first the jar. So let it boil, guys. We have to boil for 8 minutes only. So this is now our finished product, jalapeno. So it's already done. I will off the fire, and we have to boil the jar. So I will boil water for our jar to sterilize. So this one I put here because this jar I used before for pickle also, guys. So we have to boil it before using. So let it boil. Jar is sterilized, so we have to dry it, and we have to transfer here our jalapeno. So we have to put inside our chili, green chili. Ready. So this one, guys, we have to cover it. We have to cover this one and put in the fridge for up to 2 months, guys. So this is good for sandwiches, burger, sandwich. Already done. So let it cold and put in fridge. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.